Okay, here's our project for today. We are going to be making a mounting flange for the 2JZ JDM mass airflow sensor. So to do that, we're going to use this 3-inch stainless pipe that was left over from another project car, and we're going to use part of the frame rail section that we didn't use on the 65. And then we're just going to use some 1/8-inch hot rolled flat plate to make the flange out of. So anyway, we've got to cut a hole in this. We've got to make a mounting flange, and the flange that we've got to make is I'm going to show you some pictures of that now.
Okay, our twin turbo 2JZ came with everything we needed as far as sensors and wiring go, with the exception of the mass airflow sensor, which is the one I showed you in the previous video. And it also didn't come with the mounting pipe and flange that is required. And you can see the close-up there. It's a pretty thick flange that causes the sensor to locate dead center of the 3-inch pipe. So we don't have that. They're difficult to find, so we're just going to make one.
Alright, here was our first attempt at making the mounting flange for the sensor, and as you can see, it's pretty junky looking, so we're going to redo it, see if we can do a better job on it.
Okay, so we're going to cut everything out and get everything ready to weld up.
Okay, we've got our rough cuts made and the box cut out and welded together. We've got to clean it up and get it squared up, clean up the welds, but it's pretty much ready for the next step. And now we've got to cut the center section out of that to fit over the top of that. And if you hear the noise in the background, that's Matt back there busy block sanding on our door. Okay, we've got the center hole cut out of our top flange, and now we just got to trim the edges of that and get it to fit. And
Okay, we got all departments of the Dallas race shop wide open today. You know, the fab shop's open, and you can see the body shop guys here. Matt and Austin are getting real busy on the fender block sanding that. Okay, the hole's cut in the pipe and the flange has made it up to it. It's a perfect fit pretty much all the way around, a very small gap, and it's ready to be welded up. Time for sandblasting and paint. Okay, here's the final product, all finished up, all welded up, sanded, painted, and ready to be cut to length, and a filter put on the end of it, air filter, and ready to crank the car up with it.
Why you